GoPro Hero 11 Black Review, Details, Pricing and Features. GoPro Hero 11 Black is essentially an entirely new camera from previous models. If you are coming from the Hero 8, you are going to be very grateful to have finally jumped ship and got the Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 takes a legendary camera to an entirely new level, with the larger sensor combined with a GP2 processor, meaning that it is night and day from its predecessor. With the new 27MP 1.9 sensor powered by the GP2 processor, and the complete RAW capabilities, the GoPro Hero 11 is an amazing camera to shoot stills with. As always, there is a list of new features, including wider digital lens options, faster frame rates at specific resolutions, larger sensors, and a host of other handy features, such as the ability to auto-erase your SD card after you have finished uploading to GoPro Cloud. GoPro's new Hero 11 Black adds more usability features, including a new sensor format making vertical videos easier to capture on platforms such as TikTok, simplified settings, and better battery life. You cannot talk GoPro without talking about GoPro's hypersmooth stabilization, and with 5.0, GoPro's introduced a 360° horizon lock of up to 5.3K for the first time on the Hero Black. Strangely, 360 cameras have come a long way since that point, yet GoPro has yet to introduce something new to the market. If you have not been paying attention, it has been years since GoPro added the larger battery and the front-facing display. GoPro introduced new, additional batteries last year on the Hero 9 and Hero 10. The Hero 11 Black includes a new Enduro battery that allows longer shooting times and is cold and warm resistant. Given that battery life was the weakest aspect of the Hero 10 Black from last year, GoPro's new Enduro battery technology really helps things along. GoPro's new Enduro battery can handle both cold and hot temperatures without impacting performance, and can increase battery life by 38% over its stock batteries. Given that the Hero 11 Black is so capable in terms of smart metering from GoPro that priorities faces, combined with a media mod, which comes bundled with the Creator Edition, the Hero 11 Black is an excellent choice for vlogging, pairing strong images with upgradable sound. GoPro's auto mode prioritizes faces better than its newest Action 3, so even though DJI's Osmo Action 3 has a larger sensor, video footage captured with auto in low-light scenes looks superior when captured with a GoPro Hero 11 Black. GoPro Hero 11 Black product details. Comes with a USB-C cable, Hero 11 Black camera, carrying case, Enduro rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mounts, and mounting buckle. 5.3K 60 plus 2.7K 240 HD video with 24.7 megapixel video stills. Stunning high-resolution images at 27 megapixels. Automatic cloud upload of video and highlight video generation. A new, larger picture sensor offers an expansive, immersive field of vision. Video stabilization with horizon lock using the Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 5.0 technology. Waterproof to 33 feet and made to last. Required microSD card, but not provided. GoPro Hero 11 Black Pros and Cons. Pros. You can use the GoPro to take more footage and then adjust the aspect ratio using the Quick app, since a larger sensor allows for more capture. By using the same design as the previous GoPro, all of the owners' previously purchased accessories continue to work with the GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11's sharpness is great whether you're taking 27 megapixel photographs or making 4K video. Cons. GoPro Hero 11 Black is not cheap. You have to pay a yearly subscription of $50 if you want to use the new auto highlight feature. GoPro Hero 11 Black pricing. The Hero 11 Black sells for $500, but when bundled with a GoPro subscription, which includes benefits such as damage replacement without asking questions, discounts on accessories, and cloud storage with a new auto highlight function on the web, that is $400. That brings the price of the Hero 11 Black itself down $100 PS $100, which is probably the biggest reason why you would subscribe, but also opens up the new auto highlight feature. You can also get a GoPro Hero 11 Black in the Creator's Edition bundle, with the GoPro Volta battery grip, powerful GoPro Media mod, and Light mod, which are perfect for video bloggers. Verdict. We think the brand's approach is clever here. We are not lacking for frame rate options or resolution with the Hero 10 Black, so opting instead to focus on shooting modes makes a far greater practical difference. If you are a beginner, the simple menu options make the new Hero a good starting point, while for experienced pros, 10-bit colors, higher bit rates, and extra FOV options make things exciting. We would like to see weight cut, since it is one of the heavier action cameras on the market, but the brand has also introduced a Hero 11 Mini, which may reassure those looking to cut down weight without losing quality. It also does not help that the Hero 11 is now equipped with GoPro's Enduro batteries, which recharge more quickly and last longer than the standard batteries.